Good morning students, Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start a new lesson of our English, and this time we are going to start a poem, that is lesson number 10, The Supremo. Here is a poem. In this we are going to know more about the sun. Okay, the Supremo. Now what's the meaning of the Supremo? Supremo means the most important. The meaning of Supremo is the most important. Okay, when the great sun comes up at dawn, means where the sun comes at dawn. Dawn, what's the meaning of dawn? Early morning. He is the king of the sky, means when he comes at dawn, he is the king of the sky. He says to the stars, and when he is the king of the sky, he says to the stars, what he says? That get out of my sight. Be gone means you just go out of my sight. Be gone. Be gone means go away from here. And the moon turns. And how the moon turns? The moon turns perfectly white. Okay. In the powerful light, where he gets the perfectly white, the moon, when it is in the powerful light, what he get change into perfectly white. Okay, in the powerful light, then he climbed the sky to the height of noon and sits on his throne, bigger and bigger he reigns alone. Means when he is sitting in the middle of that middle at the time of the noon, now what happens? He sits on the throne. When he is sitting on the throne, what becomes it becomes brighter and brighter in the noon. And what happens is reigns alone. He is alone there. Okay. But when he descends in the afternoon, the shade grows long and the power begins to ebb and wane. Means when he becomes descend, what happens in the afternoon? In the afternoon, the shadow grows longer and longer. Our shadow becomes long and long to ebb and to wane. To ebb to wane means what? To become less. Okay? And when he goes down in his kingly way, means when he goes out from there in his kingly way, what happened there? At the end of the day, he ceased to write. The darkness falls. Means when he goes away, again the stars, what happens? The darkness starts falling. And what happens? The darkness spread everywhere. The star comes out and the night returns. Means when the sun goes out, what happens? The darkness falls everywhere. The stars comes out and night returns to the world again. Means the whole world become dark again. Okay. Part of the poem is stars in the night. First one was about the sun. The second part is about the stars. I see the stars in the night. When we can see the stars? We can see them at night. When will they come and be our light? So when they will come, what will happen? They will become our light. Show us the way to a better life. What they are showing us? A better life. Show us how to live our life. And they are asking to the stars that how we have to live our life. Stars in the night, shows us your light. Means stars in the night, show us your light. For what? Guide us to promised land. For what they are giving us light? Guiding us to promise the land. Stars in the night, we need your light. Means stars, when the stars are in the night, we need your light. We have had millions of years to get it right. So what we need more? We had the million of years for what? to get a thing right. If we can't do it now, we never will miss. If we do whatever we decide or whatever we do now, we have to do. If we are not able to do it, then we can never do it well. Okay? Stars in the night, be our light. So this is the last line of the poem, that stars in the night, be our light. Okay students, so what you are going to do today? You are going to read the poem and understand the poem. Okay beta, so take care.